Simplify the following fraction. The fifth root of 8x cubed over y to the fourth times the fifth root of 4x to the fourth over y squared. First step is going to be to combine these two fractions together, and we'll have the fifth root of 32x to the seventh over y to the sixth. 8 times 4 gives us the 32. X to the seventh comes from the x cubed times the x to the fourth, and the y to the sixth comes from y to the fourth times y squared. From here we want to rewrite everything under the radical in terms of fifth powers so that we can easily take the fifth root. 32 can be rewritten as 2 to the fifth. X to the seventh is the same thing as x to the fifth times x squared, and y to the sixth is the same thing as y to the fifth times y. Notice that the exponents on the x's add up to 7 and the exponents on the y's add up to 6. From here we can take the fifth root. The fifth root of 2 to the fifth is just 2. Fifth root of x to the fifth is x, and we're left with the fifth root of x squared in the top. In the bottom we have y times the fifth root of y, since this y to the fifth can be reduced. So now from here we want to rationalize the denominator. We're going to want to multiply the top and bottom by the fifth root of y to the fourth, so that we'll have a y to the fifth underneath that radical. So that gives us 2x times the fifth root of x squared times y to the fourth over y times the fifth root of y to the fifth. And this can be reduced one step farther by taking the fifth root of this y to the fifth. So in the end we'll have 2x times the fifth root of x squared y to the fourth all over y squared.